I'm going up to the terrace to watch the fireworks. If it happens, it's raining cats and dogs out there, so we shall see.
Here I am on the terrace. A kiss?
All right.
How are you?
Take a picture. Nasty ass
What's going on with the fireworks?
Well, what's going on right now, I didn't get my McDonald's French fries, but it's okay. We have a low atmosphere, so because of that, we can't see jack shit.
We live in the most awesome country in the world, and you know what? So it rains. It rains, but America is the most wonderful place.
Happy Independence Day.
You
It's
already
great,
said
great.
that.
It's great to be free and happy to be America.
You already said that. How about a kiss?
No.
Oh. Oh. So how are you today, Ed?
I'm good. Good shape. How are you doing?
Pretty good. Kind of soggy and foggy today, no?
Yes. Did you have a good 4th of July?
It was wet and boring.
This is not my favorite one.
Well, I am not going to be in a picture tagging you with all of your women. No.
It was a horrible accident. So this is the accident we saw from the roof. The car crashed right into the tree. Thank you. So what do you think happened over there?
Oh, I didn't know for sure, but it's very sad, very sad.
I know.
I hope it be insurance covered or something.
America is great. DC and DuPont Circle is the best area in town.
But it's